VisitTemples.com is a divine website which tells you everything about a particular temple. We have a Google map for you to make you reach the temple on time. We have a weather forecast to plan your trip accordingly, and there's also a video link for you to have a glimpse of the temple. Today, through VisitTemples.com, I'm going to tell you about Sree Chamundeswari temple located in Guruvayur, Kerala. Sree Chamundeshwari temple is a much revered temple by the Hindus, and it's located in Guruvayur. It's a east-facing temple with a majestic and appealing look. The temple, which is built in a typical Kerala style of architecture, stands out for its woodwork and traditional beauty. At the outset, there is a huge east-facing multi-pillared mandapam, and in each of the huge pillars, different idols of various gods and goddesses have been beautifully placed, making it look so appealing to the eyes of any devotees visiting this temple. The presiding deity of this temple is goddess Chamundeshwari, who looks so resplendent and elegant. She is east facing, and she is believed to be an incarnation of goddess Parvati. She is adorned and decorated with all the offerings from the devotees. The shrine of goddess Chamundeshwari has a gold-plated threshold and gold-plated steps, and there are two Dwarapalakis on either side of the sanctum sanctorum. In the adjoining east-facing shrine, Sree Veerabhadra, who is considered as an incarnation of Lord Shiva, is found. He too has two Dwarapalakas on either side. There is a Balipidam facing the shrine of Sree Veerabhadra and another facing the shrine of goddess Chamundeshwari. In the outer peripheral, there is a huge tree or a viriksham, and beneath this viriksham, there is a west-facing subshrine of goddess Thadathukavu Bhagavati. She is considered as a sister of the presiding deity goddess Chamundeshwari. There are two enclosures in which the Brahma Rakshasas and the Nagadevatas are found. Close to them, there is a subshrine for Swami Ayyappan, who is also found east facing. Along the same outer peripheral is an enclosure for goddess Durga. Next to it is another enclosure named as the Moolasthanam, and it is believed that during the initial stages of this temple, goddess Chamundeshwari was kept here and prayed. Next to this Moolasthanam are the subshrines for Vishnu Maya and Upasana Murti, which are also east facing. The eye-captivating Navagraha Sannadhi is carved out of black stones, and it is a feast to the eyes of the devotees. The temple has a Madapalli or a temple kitchen and a separate enclosure earmarked for the Annadanam. There is a huge viriksham or a tree with a podium built around it, and this captures the eyes of any devotees entering the temple. The temple has an exclusive seva counter for various kinds of offerings. Devotees who wish to donate liberally are advised to contact the following numbers: 0487 255 0101 or mobile number 97468 51858. To know more finer details about the temple, viewers can log into www.visittemples.com and get more details about this temple, and they can also read it in their vernacular language for which facilities have been added. This is Raghavachari on behalf of VisitTemples.com. I thank you all for watching this video.